how to make groups notifications vibrate shorts on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make groups notifications vibrate shorts on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings. Here you will find notifications and scroll down until you find vibrate, and here you will find the chart. Just click on it and go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to make it short on WhatsApp. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.